Hello, everyone. How are you? And thank you for stopping and clicking on this video. If you are here live with me, welcome. Thank you for joining me tonight. This live is going to be very specific in regards to things to consider that would make you great in 2019 and beyond. So welcome once again, and those who are on the replay, welcome. Come on in. This is going to be a great talk. Some things that you're probably already considered, but let's have a conversation about it, about more of the things that you should consider in order to be great in 2019 and beyond. And if you don't know me, if you're not my friend or one of my family members, my name is Charity Amora, and I serve busy, action-oriented, passion, creative mompreneurs that have their own businesses online, and I help them to balance their lives between their careers and their families and allow them to create the freedom that they want in their lives so that they can live on their own terms, so that you can live on your own terms. So thank you and welcome. I won't waste your time. I probably will be here only 15 minutes unless you have any questions or comments and you want to join in the conversation. So welcome again, and I would love to know who you are. Write your name in the comments box and let me know what city you are from. So I'm going to get started. Let's consider, what would make you great in 2019 and beyond. First and foremost, do you already know that you are great, that you have something special within yourself and that you are great and that you are supposed to shine in this world in regards to your gifts? Whatever your gifts are, that is part of your purpose and your service to the people that are around you. So first and foremost, we have to have that mindset of knowing that we are great and we have something to offer. And that ties into who we are. Do we know who we are? Do we have that confidence within ourselves? Do we know that we are great? Do we know that we are worthy and valuable? Do we know that we have something to give in this world? Do we know that we have a purpose? So you have to think about those types of things and integrate those things in your thought processes each and every day, that this is who I am, and these are the gifts and talents that I have, and this is what I want to offer in this space that I am here and now on this planet Earth. Okay? And we have to consider those types of things. And we have to integrate that into our lives each and every day to be the best person that we can ever be, to be the greatest that we can ever be each and every moment. So we're going to want to take a minute out to really think about that and really kind of meditate on, being great, especially this year. This is a brand new year, and it's over about 3 weeks into the new year. And I know that the first thoughts last year, at the beginning of the year, you said that you want to be great. You want to be the greatest, even so this year. But how do I go about that? What do I do? And how do I become and do exactly what I want to be in 2019 and even beyond? So first and foremost, those are the things that you need to consider. You need to change your mindset of already knowing that you are great. You are great. You are wonderful. You are beautiful. You are valuable. You're worthy of the gifts that have been bestowed upon you. You are unique. and the purpose and the plan that God has given you here on this earth. And you have everything that you need to go about doing this. Okay? So you cannot doubt. You have to come within yourself and have that self-esteem. And some of us might not have that self-esteem, but knowing that you need that is half the battle. Okay? So consider that, and consider where you want to go. A lot of us, especially as, entrepreneurs, we already know like exactly what we want and exactly, the steps to get there. But perhaps we need the motivation, the inspiration, the accountability to get there, So consider this, who you are and what gifts and talents that you have and exactly who you want to be or who exactly you need to be, okay? So we need to consider this. Who are we around? Who do we invite into our space in our lives? Because those people are going to influence you most than anything and anybody else in your life, right? We know this. The 5 people that you surround yourself, you're going to be just like them. So consider finding somebody in your life that you look up to that have helped you in more than one ways in regards to anything, in regards to health or fitness or mindset or spirituality. Who are those people? Consider those that can help you and move you beyond to the place that where you are at and to a place that where you want to go. Okay? So consider that. Consider the person who you want to be, the qualities, the personality, where they live, how much they're making, what type or kind of impact are they had on you and what they have on other people. Consider that. It's really super important in order for you to move forward and grow and move into the person that you want to be, the person that you see yourself 5, 10 years from here. Consider that today, okay? Next, we want to consider what is holding you back. A lot of us suffer from procrastination in a lot of different types of ways. A lot of us suffer from, fear. A lot of us suffer from our beliefs, our backgrounds, what we've been through, what people have told us in the past of, things that we can't do. And we constantly hear that over and over again within our minds. Consider that. Consider changing that. Consider not allowing that to hold you back and move forward. Okay? Because a lot of us are self-motivated, and a lot of us are not. We need help. We need direction. We need accountability. So consider that and think about that. So when I think about, my progress in life as a person, as a mom, as an entrepreneur, I think and consider the people that have helped me along my way. And I consider, the people and the things and the processes that I need to do to continue to move forward and continue to be great and even be more greater this year. I think about my mom first and foremost, who have made me the person that I am today, who have poured into my life for almost 40 years of my life in so many different types of ways, making me the person that I am today, making me, be able to think and make smart choices, making me the strong woman that I am, making me the great mother that I am, that allowed me to, raise a beautiful, smart, daughter, the legacy that she will continue to live on through me, through her children, through her grandchildren. And I'm so ever grateful for her. This is marked the second year that she hasn't been here physically on earth, but let me tell you, I feel her each and every day reaching out to me to continue to allow me to move forward, to heal in the most way possible, to know that there's still beauty no matter what. If I'm not able to connect with her physically, that there's still beauty in this world. That I could still do the things that I'm passionate about and moving forward. That I could still be great and be even greater in 2019 and beyond. That I could still be able to mentor people and to help them and to lead them and then guide them in the right way in each and every way, so that they can live, that you can live a quality life, that you know that there's things out there that are better. There are people that you can hang out around with that are better. There's more than, what you do that you don't like to do. There's more than that. That you could actually live out your passions each and every day and be happy and be joyful. That there is green grass on the other side if you're, going through a tough time. If you're healing like I'm healing like myself, there's bigger and greater things. So consider that today as well, And so I feel strong and I feel great and I feel lifted and I feel encouraged. And I feel like my healing process is accelerating, and I feel supported and I feel encouraged because of my mom, because of Sombra, because she's a great person, because she was a great mom. And she believed in allowing us to allowing me that I could do anything that I want to do at all times, that I am great and that I could be greater. And that there's beauty in this world no matter what, And I was at a dark place when my mom had passed away, and it was very hard to get out that dark place of missing her and feeling bad and feeling sad and really wanted her to be here. But she showed me that there's, a light at the end of the tunnel, that there's still beauty, that there's still life to live, and there's still, influence that I could give to other people to help them from my experience. So I give honor to my mom today, and to allow her to know that I love her more than ever before, and to really appreciate her and to thank her, and that I'm going to continue to live out her legacy through myself, through her granddaughter, and that I'm going to be great and even greater in year 2019. Do you want to be great? Are you considering to being great this year in 2019? Not to allow anybody to hold you back, not to allow any of your old beliefs to hold you back, not to allow any of your insecurities to hold you back, not allowing that negative person to hold you back, not allowing the past to hold you back. Are you considering that to moving forward? Leaving the past and moving forward and being great for 2019? Those are some questions to consider. Okay? And you have, any comments, or you have any questions in regards to that, or you need some help, or you need some accountability, you need some motivation, you need some inspiration, then I'm letting you know that I'm here to help you on that journey, and that you are not alone. And then you got everything within yourself to be the best person that you can ever be. And if you're that, that mom, that mompreneur, and or a person that's really on the path of being an entrepreneur and really living out your passions, that need that guidance or that need that accountability, then, we come and join like-minded individuals that will support you throughout your journey, that will, give you help and give you guidance, that will answer your questions. You know what I'm saying? Join, my like-minded community. I'm going to write it up in the, sorry about that. So I'm going to write, I don't know if I can write it in there, but afterwards I'm going to have it in the comments where you can come and join my community, so that you can always be encouraged and know that you are great, and be supported and being even more greater in 2019 by doing what you want to do, what you always dreamed of doing. You know what I'm saying? And if you have a heart and like a passion to service other people, to help other people, and you have these massive gifts that you are allowing to lay dormant, you know what I'm saying, then you need to be a part of this community. I help serve online, busy, action-oriented, creative mompreneurs, and I'm going to be there to support you in each and every way. Like I said, if you have any comments and you are on the replay, then put it in the comments box. If you have any questions, then I will come back and definitely answer all your questions. The link will be in the comments. And I look forward to connecting with you, further this year, and really being a part of your journey. My goal is to help hundreds and hundreds of individuals, especially, mompreneurs that have their own online businesses, that really struggle with, juggling their career with their families, and someone that really needs to live their life on their own terms. So I wanted to come on today so that you can consider, no matter who you are, where you're from, and where you at in your life, consider, making, 2019, great and beyond in your life. So if this have helped you tonight, then, please let me know with a thumbs up, or you could comment in the box below. But I really am looking forward to connecting with you in my other communities. And also the Mompreneur VIP Club as well. Like I said, I'm going to be having those links in the box below. So good evening, or good morning, or good afternoon to you all. This is Charity Amora again. If you want to learn a little bit more about me, then connect with me. I'm going to have links, but you also can connect with me or learn more about me on my website at www.charityamora.com. That's spelled my first name, CHARITYAUMORA. Hopefully you're having a great day and continue to be blessed. And I'll see you guys a little bit later. Bye.